Riri aruto ma junior secondary aria mari grade ya kenda marethagathaga kuingira kirathi kia grade ya 10 mwaka twerekeire. Thirikari kugerera mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya kithomo Belio Kipsang yugite igite keberi-ini ciringi bilioni 3.4 cia guteithiriria gwaka irathi 16,000 iria irabatarania.
Another 9 billion shillings will be available to put up another 9,000 classrooms, and by the end of the year, if all systems go well, then we should be having the 16,000 classrooms that we require to accommodate our junior school.
Kipsang ogete mebariria ma mathomo ma junior secondary mwaka twerekeire ni bamwe na kuona uria thukuru iri kubaniriirie ingitukana kuthomera mathomo ma science laboratory-ini kumana no kunderu wa indo iria ibuthukaga mathomo-ini macio.
For schools who do not have neighboring secondary schools, because we have more than 6,000 schools who share compounds, and therefore they leverage on facilities, both labs and sometimes even the technical staff, in ensuring that the integrated science is supported.
Kurumirira mitino ya barabara iria yonekete icaini ikubi na gucungiriria ikuũ cia aruto, Kipsang ogete thirikari iri mubango-ini wa gukathika mawatho ma kuthurima wagiriru wa ngari ciothe muthemba wa bathi.
Still continue to ensure that the buses that are used by our children are one roadworthy, they are properly built, and we are working with as one in government in ensuring that all specifications that are required of a bus, not only a school bus, of a bus, are met. So that when we build our buses, when we do all that we are doing, then we do it in a way that it provides adequate protection to the passengers in case of any accident.
Mwandiki mukaru aritie obedi igongona ria kurugurio kwa mubango wa kube airitu thukuru-ini cia muthingi odumwe na junior secondary tauro cia utheru 171 iria ibuthirite muigana wa ciringi milioni 940 igitanyo kuguna airitu 500,000 riria mari thukuru. Mubango uyu ukiburo jeki ni rubonge rwa USAID.
We want to make sure that our girls benefits, and mainly in the areas that are most vulnerable. These are the ASAL regions, the informal settlements, the hard-to-reach places, and we are working very closely in delivering as one in government.
This is an ongoing project as part of our ongoing cooperation with the Ministry of Education to promote girls' education, investing them in girls now, making sure they stay in school, that they're able to complete their lessons, to take their exams, and to move into society as productive people.
Geribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Masi, Wadia wa Murithi.
Guest Dr. Belio Richard Kipsang.